Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video, we'll be discussing, are you desperate to find an online business that actually works? So I'll go through a couple of businesses that I've been involved in online and their pros and cons. And then a little bit later in the video, I'll explain what I'm currently doing and why my current idea is such a game changer. So first of all, let's consider the question, what makes a great online business? In my view, if you reach these 4 easy steps, you're onto a winning formula. First of all, it must be affordable or even free. Easy to implement, not too time consuming, and most importantly, earn a passive income online. That's the key to earning money online, is the passive income, where you are earning money while you sleep. So that being said, let's look at a couple of examples. So the first and obvious one is an e-commerce store, something like Shopify, where you can create your e-commerce store to sell a physical product or even a digital product you can sell from your store. There are thousands and thousands of Shopify stores and e-commerce stores in general in the web today, many of which are hugely successful. This is a business model that works, but I've tried it. I tried a drop shipping option, and it certainly can work, but it didn't work for me. There are a couple of things, in my view, that count against you and running it with an e-commerce store. First of all, you need inventory, unless you're doing drop shipping. But if you've got to have a stock of inventory, every time you make a sale, you've got to process that sale. You've got to deal with refunds, returns. People aren't satisfied with the product, or the product arrived broken. You've got to deal with that. And even drop shipping, you might not be packaging the product, but now somebody wants to return it because they're not happy with it. You've got to manage that. It becomes a bit of a headache. So yeah. And once your store is up and running, you still need to get people to your website. So you've either got to be found on Google, or you have to advertise, and to advertise costs money. So you're constantly managing this money going out compared to money coming in, and a successful e-commerce store is a full-time job, and it will keep you busy most of the day if your e-commerce store is even half successful. So yeah, certainly a business that works, but yeah, it's not what I have in mind for making money online anymore, now that I've learned a thing or two. Another thing I tried was search engine optimization, particularly with regards to local marketing. And yeah, it's a lot easier to get businesses or websites to rank locally for local searches than sort of global searches. But it still takes some knowledge, and it's a process that's constantly refining. So you have to constantly keep up to date with the changes and the challenges with search engine optimization. So yeah, you know, what I do like about this business is that often you can get it up and running. Once you've set it correctly, it'll stay like that and just needs minor tweaks down again, and you can earn a monthly retainer from your customers for promoting their product or business online. And so yeah, you know, that is nice. You get that recurring income, which is a winner. But also, you know, my experience is you often end up having to chase the local businesses for their payments. Yeah, and if they're not getting the results they want, then they stop paying you, and yeah, it can be tricky. I ran a search engine optimization in a competitive field is very difficult. I run a couple of vacation rental units that I let out, and it is very difficult to get my 2 little units ranked on the front page of Google in such a competitive field. In the vacation rental market, you are dealing with some big players like Booking.com and Airbnb who just have the resources to throw everything at their marketing, and it's almost impossible to knock them off the top page. So yeah, it's quite easy to rank a website where there's little competition, but as soon as you got competition, then the more you get, the harder it gets. Those are some of the challenges with search engine optimization. Now, this is a good way to make money. Affiliate marketing. This is ClickBank, if you haven't heard of it, where you can sign up there and promote the products within the ClickBank. And any traffic, if you send traffic to their website and they make a sale from one of your traffic customers, then you earn a slice of that payment. And that's great. You don't have any product, you don't have any inventory. All you are doing is steering traffic to their business. And it works really well. But, and it's a capital but, the problem here is you need to send quality traffic there. Otherwise, you're never going to get any sales. And how do you get quality traffic? That is the tricky part. You either have your own website, which redirects to their product, in which case you have to get your website optimized so that you appear in the search results. And as I mentioned earlier, that's not easy to do, especially on a global basis. It's difficult. Alternatively, you are paying for ads, and now once again, you have to pay up front to see if you can get any sales. You pay for those ads and then hope you get sales. And yeah, it doesn't always work as well as you would hope it does. And sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But certainly the whole concept of this idea is what works. And that is, you just need to find a way to get that quality traffic in front of your affiliate's website so that they can buy. Now, that being said, let's take a look at this. I've made a Google search for how to make money online. And there's the front page of Google, first page. And as you scroll down, here are 3 videos that appear in the front page of Google. Google owns YouTube, and Google does its best to promote YouTube. And one of the ways it does it is by putting relevant YouTube adverts on the front page of Google. So you can see these ones, for example. This one was put up in July 2020, May 2020, August 2020. So all of them have been around for a year or so. So for how to make money online, these guys have been sitting there for around about a year. And an interesting statistic or interesting fact is that you can rank a video on the front page of Google within minutes of posting it. If it's done correctly and it's optimized in the correct manner, you can get it up on the front page of Google for your chosen keywords or phrases within minutes, certainly within hours, but even minutes. So if you can now dominate the front page of Google, or even if you can just get one of these spots, you are there in a potential where that video then directs people onto your affiliate page. You get the money for any purchases. So this is big, and this is a great way to. And I am now promoting videos, generating videos to appear on the front page. Let's here's another example. What did I type? Hiking equipment for the Adirondacks. Here are some videos that appeared. Look at this video, January 2015. It's been up there for 6 years. For 6 years, this video has been appearing. Now, most videos you will find people are making their money from ads. Let's have a look at this one. I'm not sure if this one has or not. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So they've got ads running, so they are managing it for ads. But the problem with ads is that it makes money, but your ad has to be viewed a lot of times for you to get any real money out of it. Whereas if you're promoting an affiliate product, this guy's only had 1,470 views since January 2015. But if he is promoting an affiliate product, that figure of 1,400 wouldn't really matter. You could still be making fair money out of this particular video. Whereas if you're just making money out of the ads, you need hundreds of thousands of views to make any significant amount of money. So yeah, and another problem with ads, of course, is you need to have 1,000 subscribers, and you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time before you can start monetizing your site. Whereas if you're promoting affiliate products, you can monetize that video from day one without any subscribers to your channel. All you need is your affiliate link over here, and you're set to go. So yeah, you know, if anyone's, if you're still out there wondering what a business it is you can do online, just drop a message down there. If you're interested in this process, post a comment, and I'll put up a link to where you can go to find out more about it and how it can get done. It really is a incredibly clever idea. It earns passive income. I mean, that this video, yeah, has been up since 2015. So in 5 years' time, if you have a video up there, it is still potentially making you money 5 years later. What a pleasure. So I hope you found this interesting, guys, and yeah, leave a comment. Let me know if you got any questions. I'll be happy to answer what I can. And yeah, stick around. I'll be producing another video shortly, and where I'll unpack some more issues regarding making money online. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we will catch up later. Thank you.